Donny Walker here. Another busy day at the Walker Saw Shop. Got a family of Germans out there running. Let's go check them out. Those are all 500 eyes, if you noticed, eh? And you guys will know your stills and notice that. Yesterday was funny. We had the new Stihl rep come here. Hadn't seen one for a while, and couldn't believe how many 500s we had. I think we've had the most in North America we sold so far. Maybe some dealers don't even have any, but yeah, those four. Sorry, I got 5 of them going out, along with those 10 390s and some 372s. So yeah, keep your saw in the wood, stick in the ice, rubber in the road. Check out the WalkerSawShop.com online store, and come and say hi to Mike. He's our hedge trimmer guy, man. He's got some YouTube videos too. What's it called again? Ginger in the Woods.
Ginger in the Woods.
Check him out, man. Have a great day. Bye.